time to his left. And he can't get rid of it. He's taken down. They'll come up after the sack on a 2nd and 12. Here's Prescott. And he's got Ezekiel Elliott. And they get him down.
Like they're part of it. It really gets them amped up as they go forward.
No running room for Zeke on 1st down as he'll maybe get a yard out of that. The run only got a yard. Here's 2nd and 9. To throw is Prescott. They try to convert on 3rd and 9. Now Prescott. Open man Lamb. It's complete. And he will have a Cowboys 1st down as they're able to get the 3rd down conversion. Now back to the ground with Elliott. And a short gain there.
Is his ability to read, react, and make a play. But on that one, he looked like one of those guys.
Meanwhile, Dak's throw complete into the hands of Schultz.
Basketball players somehow came back to football. That's really good for the game of football. You get better athleticism, great hand-eye coordination, guys who know how to control their bodies when they run their routes.
2nd down and 8. To your 2nd down and long. Here's Prescott. That is caught. It's Cooper for the Cowboys. And now it's 3rd down. Now they face a 3rd down and 4 after that incompletion on 2nd down. Now here's Mahomes. That one caught by Tyreek Hill.
Don't worry about it.
All the way in for a Kansas City touchdown. Tyreek Hill, 61 yards. It's up and good. So these teams match. Each team's had it. Each team has scored. 7-7 here as the kick's away. Pollard to return from the end zone. And he's able to get it across. And they'll just simply be looking to build off the confidence of the last time out where they scored a touchdown.
And confidence is powerful, isn't it? When you've scored once,
you stay in that groove here this go-around. They keep on the ground with Elliott. Oh, a nifty juke there.
Not much fun for a guy.
On 2nd down, Elliott. And he's going to be brought down on what will be the 10. Prescott to throw it. He's got his receiver, Cooper. And down he goes, takes out to 5. Now Elliott. And they'll be driven back here, losing yard.
And make sure he doesn't get any further. Did a really nice job wrapping up and not letting him loose.
And he'll take this from spot.
And I think the defensive guys are probably expressing themselves to them as well.
And this is caught for a Cowboy touchdown. Now after the touchdown, it's Zerline. He'll kick it away. Taken at the 15, a short kick. Ready for their next drive. They trail a 1-score deficit, 14-7 as they come up 1st and 10. Now a pass that's taken in by Hill. And they're able to get this one across to perfection. Line of scrimmage, the 37 on 1st and 10. Shotgun snap to Mahomes. And that is incomplete. Spot.
Yeah, we're not talking about our on-air commentary here. I mean, what is all this extra paper? I mean, this is unusual for you.
My bad.
Normally you run a really tight ship. What's going on here?
Just like that incomplete pass, I'm going to try to tighten things up here for this next play. It's complete to Robinson. Oh, he's got some breathing room. And in for the Chiefs touchdown. DeMarcus Robinson, 49 yards. And the Chiefs are an extra point away from tying up this football game. Extra point by Butker is on target. This one tied at 14 now as he sends this one away. Pollard to return from the end zone. And Cowboys offense. And Charles, the way touchdowns have come so fast and furious for both sides in this thing, it's starting to feel a little bit more like maybe a tennis match in a football game.
Yeah, I like your description there. Maybe we're sitting in a nice royal box watching this type of a game.
And it's a fumble, and it's picked up by the Chiefs. Zias gone for the PAT. It's up and good, and that'll make the score.
On it, because then you will repeat it, and that's what you don't want to do.
On second down now, it's Elliott, and he'll be upended at the 28-yard line. On third down, it's Prescott. Connects here with a tight end, Blake Jarwin, and giving up the first down. Looking to throw, Prescott. And that's Elliott, complete. And taking it across midfield and just shy of the 40. The Chiefs quickly now going to use the
Ride, and he can pick up a lot of yardage after the catch. But in this situation, the defense was effective.
And he's taken down, a Chiefs sack. They'll need a big play here. Will Dak and the Cowboys after the sack. It's third and long. Now Prescott. And he'll be brought down. Prescott looks to throw on first. And a dangerous throw there is throwing again. Prescott on second and 10. And that will be incomplete.
So now you don't take any unnecessary risks, but you try and find a way to get back to what you were doing earlier in the drive in order to finish.
Even before the break as they come up first and goal. Prescott. And it's caught. A gain of 7 that time. First down. Now can they punch it in on second and goal? They'll throw again. Prescott. And that is caught. Touchdown. Extra point. He's got it, and we're all tied at teams locked into a good one here. 21 all the score as the kick's away. Fair catch signaled for and taken at about the 15-yard line. Begin this drive. And only 6 seconds on the clock, so time likely for just one play. Escaping the pressure right.
The circus catches, but they make them out of bounds. That does you no good.
Mahomes throw into the hands here of Hardman. And he'll have this past the 30 prior to going at him. Final shot before the half from Mahomes.
Can't let you catch the ball.
Taking a deep shot here for Hardman. And a double coverage, and it's intercepted. Picked off by Trayvon Diggs. Two remain. Charles and I return after the break. All right, Coach, thanks. Yeah, both teams likely to make some changes in what's been a closely fought battle to this point. And ready to get the party started for the second half. It was an even first half, all tied on the scoreboard. And a short kick taken at about the 16. And to regroup after the costly interception last time, it led to a tying touchdown. 21-all is where we stand, and they've got it. They go play action. Now Mahomes. And he'll get this into the hands of Hill, complete. And he's going to get this down to the 35-yard line.
Trying to top each other with each additional play.
They go play fake. Mahomes. He'll get it once more into the hands of Hill. They are not ready. All the way in for a Kansas City touchdown. And it's good. That makes it a 28-21. Good run as he's tackled down inside the time. But now they find themselves down 7 following the opening drive touchdown here in the third quarter.
And they need to take a good, relaxing, deep breath, don't you think? Because right now they might start to feel like they've got to play catch-up here and start matching them point for point. but it's still too early to get there. They can still run their offense. Plenty of time to get back in this game.
And he slips up past the 4. Here's Elliott. And they're well past midfield, just a yard or two shy of the 40. So now 1st and 10 in Chiefs territory at the 42-yard line. He's going to leave this for his running back. It's complete. A give to Elliott running left. And some room to work. And so close. They'll try and run for it on 1st and goal. And now for the PAT. He's got it. This thing's turning. The Chiefs offense about set to begin this drive. And these two teams have traded touchdowns so far with their first possessions here in the 3rd quarter, so we're right back to where we started at intermission.
Yeah, how about that? Tied
Go in this 3rd quarter as they come up 1st and 10. Mahomes now to throw. Open man here. It's the tight end, Kelsey. And he'll be out of bounds just shy of the 40.
Taking advantage so far.
Meanwhile, Mahomes' throw caught by his receiver, Hill. Mahomes to throw once more. A dump down to McKinnon. So 5 yards. I think they'd like to get him a little help now on 3rd down to move it closer. And he's able to pick up the... On 1st down, McKinnon again. And he'll be brought down. Oh, that's a face mask. Here again is McKinnon. And the stop will come.
Drive, take a little bit of the wind out of their sails, kind of settle things down a little bit.
Sliding out of the... And he takes this into the end zone. The lead here in the 4th. Extra point by Butker on to kick it away. Pollard to return from the end zone. And now after the touchdown a moment ago, they work from behind in a 7-point game in this 4th quarter.
Themselves defensively, you have to feel okay because you didn't let it turn into a bigger run, but the goal, shut it down for 2 yards or less. That's when you start to feel good.
And now a fumble. The ball's out, and it's picked up by the Chiefs. On 1st down now, run with McKinnon, and he's going to get stopped up quickly. Give him a yard down to the 4.
Gauntlet drill, right? Anyone get the ball out while he's sitting in class and bring it back to the coach? He's in big trouble.
On 2nd and 9, Mahomes, and he's going to be sacked. They sack him back right at the midfield stripe. A critical 3rd down now as they try to hold on to this lead. From midfield, here's Mahomes. Toward the sideline, did he keep the field? Up 1st and 10. From the gun, they will run with McKinnon. Finding room to the 20. And he's all the way down. Here's McKinnon. And he'll fight it. They'll try and run some clock here as they keep it on the ground. On 3rd down, McKinnon. And they'll lose yardage here. They go back
Up front. Hard to imagine with all that size and beef that they can let a tackler through.
God damn, those
You could see this one, didn't he? But let's face it, all kickers that you and I know, they want to contribute. They want their opportunity, and he seized his.
And he'll get it up past the drive by the Cowboys offense. They might be thinking this is close to a lost cause here. Got to play it out. What do they need to do?
Well, they have a thought process in mind already, but they can't get it in quickly. Then they'll take it from there.
To throw, Prescott. Into the hands of Cooper. And he'll wind up getting about 8, but the clock will run. Also, don't forget, it's now 3rd down. Here's Dak. And that is incomplete. Down to 15 seconds now.
He did a fine. Sometimes you panic as well and think, I've got to be there right now. Instead, in this case, timed it perfectly and knocked it free.
Well, I'm not sure he saw the linebacker there as that's batted down and incomplete.